Users can use the Show Machine Axes button to interact with the machine digital twin in real time without needing to select an operation beforehand. Navigate to the Machine tab to find the Show Machine Axes button. This button will open the Machine Axis Position dialog from which users can interact with the machine axes. Now, selecting an operation from the Operation Navigator and activating the Display Tool and Machine option under the Home tab will update the values in the Machine Axis Position dialog accordingly. Any interaction with the dialog or with the tool position on the tool path will update the machine dynamically. Notably, all changes to the values in the dialog will persist after closing it. To undo any changes to the machine axes, users can use the Set Axes to 0 or Reset Axes buttons. Alternatively, the machine axis can be reset by picking on the toolpath, selecting another operation, or turning off the display tool in Machine option.